Hi, Nina here with potsandpans.com, and I have 4 gift picks for you for people who have compact kitchens or just want to save a little space. First up, we have the Mandolin Smart Stack Cookware Set, which comes with all of Mandolin's premium features, all stacked under 13 inches. What I really like about this set is that the pans come with these awesome hooks to help keep the pan suspended to protect the non-stick. If you're only looking for a few key items, the Rachael Ray stacking set is a great option. Plus, it comes in 3 fun colors. This compact 4-piece baking set comes with Circulon's signature non-stick, and it fits in your toaster oven. But don't let that stop you from using it in your regular oven too. Last on my list is this 5-in-1 mandolin set from the Ayesha home collection. From spiralizing, to grating, to juicing, everything stores in this one little bowl. Shop for these gifts at potsandpans.com and follow along for more gourmet gift guide inspiration.